Some of the numbers in number system concept, I will show some formulas. So based on that, I'll explain some examples and I'll show the short trick also. First one, sum of all the first natural numbers. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So instead of adding in normal way, if you want add the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 100 is equal to how much? So you can use this last number is n. So this is the n it is. Account formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. 100 into 100 plus 1. So 101 divided by 2. If you calculate, that is the sum of the numbers from 1 to 100. Now that is 2 times 50 is 100. 50 into 101. So we'll get 5 times 1 is 505. So 5050. So we'll get the sum of the numbers from 1 to 100. So this is the formula for sum of the n natural numbers. Next we have sum of the first n odd numbers. If it is odd numbers and even numbers, I will show the simple trick. That is n square. Sum of the first odd numbers. That means if you want to add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on plus, let us say up to 49. So we should not take 49 as n because sum of the numbers is n here. To find out the n value first, we can take the last number and plus 1 divided by 2. So to find out the n, just take the 49 last number plus 1 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2, that is 25. Now you can apply the formula, that is n square. Therefore sum is n square. So 25 square, 25 into 25, 625. Okay, this is the way. Sum of the first odd numbers. The n is the last number plus 1. You remember. Next we have the continuation formulas. If this is sum of the first even numbers. Even numbers is n into n plus 1. Sum of the first even numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on plus 100. So to find out the n value, just take the last number divided by 2. In this case, last number divided by 2 will get the n. So 50. Then you can find out the sum. Sum is equals to 50 into 50 plus 1. So 51. You just multiply, you'll get this. So we have the formulas for the odd and even. Next we have the squares and cubes. You remember these both also. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers and sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of the squares. For example, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus 10 square. If you want to do addition of this, so here is the n is equals to 10 itself. 10 is the number. So number of terms, no 1, 2, 3. N is the number of terms. Then for sum we can calculate. That is 10 into 10 plus 1 into 2 into n. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1 divided by 6. You simplify this. 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6. You can use 2 times table. 2 5s are 2 3. Again 3 1s are 3 7. So if you multiply 5 into 11 into 7, so you'll get the sum of these numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square so on. That is sum of the first n natural numbers. So you can do multiplication. No? 5 into 11. So 55. Again multiply with 7. Finds the 35. 3. 35. So 385. This is the total sum of the numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square means 1, 4, 9. This is all if you add. Similarly, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Sum of the cubes. So if you want to add 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Let us take the small example. Now the n itself 3 here. N is equals to 3. So on 10 cube means 10 value is the n now. So here n is 3. Therefore sum is equals to 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. 3 into 3 fours, 3 times 3 plus 1 4 divided by 2 whole square. You simplify this. 2 2s are 3 2s are 6 square. So 36 will come. 36 is the answer. You can do verification also this example. You're asking 1 square is 1, 2 2 cube, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. 1 plus 8 plus 27 is 36 obviously. So these are the basic formulas you're supposed to remember, some of the squares, some of the cubes, and some of the even numbers, odd numbers, and some of the natural numbers.